Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. By default, Word uses portrait orientation. But sometimes you may need a wider layout, and that's when you switch to landscape. First, go to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. In the Page Setup section, you'll find the Orientation option. Click on Orientation, and you'll see a drop-down menu with two options: Portrait, Landscape. By default, it's set to Portrait. Simply click on Landscape, and your page will instantly change to landscape mode. That's it. And again, if you want to switch back to Portrait, just repeat the same steps and select Portrait. Now let's say you want more control over the settings, or you want to apply the orientation to specific pages. For that, go back to the Layout tab. This time, click on the small arrow in the bottom corner of the Page Setup section. This will open a new window with more options. Under the Margins tab, you'll see the Orientation section. Here, you can select Portrait or Landscape, and you'll also see a preview of how your page will look. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Apply To. From here, you can choose Whole Document if you want all pages to have the same orientation, this point forward if you want to change orientation starting from the current page, click on Set as Default, and then click Yes. Finally, and your changes will be applied to your document. And that's how you can easily change page orientation in MS Word. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful.